Alright guys, 2008 BMW 750 Li starter replacement, about 7 hours job. What we're gonna do, to make the story short, drop off the subframe like that, put the transmission jack under it, take off the steering rack joint from the steering rod. Make sure you lock the steering wheel from the top with the bungee cord or the steering locker. Take off all the suspension ball joints and everything. So as you come over here, as you see, the starter is just right there. Okay, the starter is just right there. You need to take the motor mount off. Don't touch the exhaust. You don't need to. The catalytic converter, there is one bolt here, one bolt on the top. You're gonna use that. Here where my finger is. You're gonna use that T45, the female one, and there is another one coming backward from the inside. So take off the shield, and the starter should slide right back off that way to the front of the engine. So it's kind of complicated procedure. Again, my videos is for those who already have experience working on the vehicles. If you are trying to do it DIY at your backyard or garage, that's not gonna happen, because you have to have this proper tool, proper experience and everything. My technicians are doing this job. Again, if you are a technician, you are looking to get some kind of summarized job, how to do the job, that's the right video for you. If you are trying to do it by yourself, you have no experience on working on the car, that's not gonna help you. But again, very simple. Drop off the subframe, take off the rack and pinion to the universal joint. Make sure you lock the steering wheel, and T40, take off all the motor mounts, and it's gonna come off. It's about, I would say, 6 to 7 hours job. Thank you guys for watching. Reach out to me if you have any questions or concern, and see you next time.